Hi, I'm Stephanie Weissenstein, one of the attorneys at Grimm Rupert. After closing on new property, buyers have a bit of homework to do related to filing necessary paperwork to ensure the county properly assesses the purchase and issues a correct tax bill. Whether you're a new resident in South Carolina, a new homeowner, or investor, DGR is ready to guide you through the property tax process. In South Carolina, property taxes are assessed annually and paid at the end of the year. In South Carolina, property is generally taxed one of two ways. First up is the 4% rate, which is known as the permanent resident property rate. This is the lower rate applied to owner-occupied residential properties. To qualify for this rate, you must satisfy some criteria. The property must be your primary residence. You must also be a United States citizen or permanent resident with either a green card or residency visa. Unfortunately, work visas do not satisfy that criteria. Once you're settled into your new home, you'll apply for the 4% residential assessment through the tax assessor's office for the county in which the property is situated. Each county in South Carolina has its own application and requirements for proof, which may include your new driver's license, a utility bill, or other documentation that shows you reside in the home. Now, if you're a South Carolina resident 65 or older, disabled, or legally blind, you might also be eligible for the homestead exemption on your primary residence, which could further reduce your tax liability. Next, we have the 6% rate, which applies to non-primary residences like vacation homes and to commercial property. There are other property tax matters to consider as well. For example, if the property is rural, you may be able to apply for a reduction in your tax bill through an agricultural assessment or timber assessment. And there are deadlines to remember in regards to all of these applications. Again, each county has its own forms. Don't let this information overwhelm you. At closing, your attorney will discuss your relevant tax homework, and of course, we're available to answer any questions that might come up. If you have any questions about property taxes or other real estate matters, please reach out to one of our team members. At DGR, we're always here to help.